Real quick, I love your story, but I want you to share one part of it to me that it just still leaves such a, like, makes my heart smile every time. But you shared that you borrowed the money from your mom. Share with him what you were able to do for your mom on her birthday.
So, in the last 5 years, I had lost two businesses. The bank repossessed my car, and I lost two jobs. Then my mom assisted me in purchasing my program for me to get started. In April, I bought myself a vehicle, and for my mom's birthday, I bought her a car cash for her birthday. My mom couldn't even afford her car service. She thought I was going to surprise her with a car service, and we drove in with a new Kia Sportage. We drove in and we gave her a car for her birthday. Yes.
But how old was her car?
15 years old. 15 years old.
So you
Yeah.
guys,
So
she helped her daughter by purchasing this program for her daughter. Her car was 15 years old, so her daughter gave back to her by buying her a car. So beautiful.
and even now, my mom's like, oh, she needs to like polish it this, and no one should even look at the car. It's so cute. She's absolutely, it is lovely because she really appreciates that, and just being able to give back to somebody in the measure that they give to you. That's such a fantastic opportunity. And again, it's like Michelle said, it's not about the money, but it's what you can do for the people in your life. That is what this is about.
Absolutely, absolutely. I just love your story so much, and I love how it's completely changed your life. So thank you for sharing your story, my friend.
And thank
Congratulations.
you.
Love it.
Thank you, thank
Oh,
you, thank you, thank you for what you're doing for us, Michelle. There's no words to thank you for what you have done in my life.
oh, thank you. Yeah, this is what it's about right here. Yes, the impact we make, right? The impact we make. So, you guys, what I want to do, I want to keep it in South Africa real quick. And Lizelle, oh gosh, I have to make sure you're unmuted. Lizelle, I would absolutely love for you to share your story as well. Is she with us? All right, here she goes. Lizelle, are you able to unmute? I know she also has a guest that she's going to have share as well. And then what we're going to do after they share, you guys, we're going to open up for questions. Okay. Are you with me, my friend?
Yes, I am. Hi, everyone. I actually am so emotional right now after listening to Amy's story, which I hear every single time. But Amy struck a chord with me tonight because when she spoke about she's able to pay for a child's college last year, this time, I got like a semi heart attack. I actually was booked in. I had like a nervous breakdown because I realized that I wouldn't be able to take my kids to varsity because I just didn't have the money. I couldn't give them the life they wanted. So if you don't know me, my name is Lizelle. I'm a mother of three daughters, been divorced and remarried, but I always felt very alone in my finances, especially after COVID, things went bad. I've always wanted to be a stay-at-home mom. I could never afford it. And then during COVID, I decided, life is more important than this because I was working for a corporate company. And during COVID, my corporate company was demanding work hours. Like I had to sit in front of a laptop 9 to 5 while my poor kids were in the next room and I couldn't see them, although it was during COVID. So I decided there and then life is more important than this. I'm going to leave my job and I'm going to start something. And here's what I did. I went online and I did some beauty courses while in COVID. This, by the way, is where the e-learning industry started booming. And I went online, did some courses. And then when the time was right, after I had to learn these skills and get my certification, I started my own beauty salon. And fast forward 3 years later, I wasn't making enough money. I was actually working more because I was taught you had to work more to earn more, and I physically couldn't help more people because I already had a client in front of me the entire day. So I was booked full and I wasn't making enough money. And I realized last time this year, I couldn't even pay my kids' school fees. Now, when your child comes to you, give you the letter from the school saying that you can't send your kids back to school if you don't pay up, I broke down that day and I was like, this cannot be. I felt like such a failure as a mother. And I said, I need to do something different because whatever I'm doing now is not working. And I went online and I looked for months for something to do online because here's the thing. I didn't have any time to waste and I didn't have money to waste. I was already working full-time. I wasn't looking to be more busy. I was looking to work smarter instead of working harder. And I came across this system that was giving me a business in a box. But instead of going to learn these skills for a couple of months and then only start making money, I could start learning and earning at the exact same time. So I got so excited being South African, hearing I could earn in dollars. And it's such an honor to even tell you this story, because just 7 months ago, I was where you are at right now, hearing all these wonderful stories of people making money, asking myself, will this be for me? Will I be able to do this? Well, within under 6 months, I also made my first South African million rand. I already have made another 500,000. I'm so close to my second million. And here's the thing. It's not because it's a quick rich scheme or because it's airy-fairy. It's because we are following a proven system, something that is already proven to work. And I remember when I got my first salary, I'm like, it works, it works. So my heart is to help anyone, parents. You will learn inside this program how to connect to your perfect customer, because here's what you learn the skills to reach people that you are meant to reach. Because I'm sure with you, there's purpose in your pain, right? There was purpose in my pain. I had to go through that agony of feeling like a failure as a mother, not having more time with my children, to be able to get out of it, follow a proven system, and I get to help people on a daily basis. I just had another 6-figure earner that bought from me that announced to me today that she's made 6 figures in South African rand. You know how amazing it is that you are able to impact lives? And I ask Michelle this all the time. Like, I wonder how she must be sleeping like a baby at night, knowing that she is impacting generations, helping them, giving them a tool in their hand, because that's what it is. It's a tool. It's up to you to use it, because you don't need to have any requirements or skills. The only thing standing in your way is you. The only thing, because we all bought the same product, the same program, following the same system. We all are just following the process. So I'm excited. Nombelo is our 7th millionaire in South Africa, African lady, which is so amazing. Our second one in the country. South Africa is really changing her generational wealth. But tonight, unfortunately, she cannot share because she's at church. No. So she can't share. We did ask her last minute. So unfortunately, she will not be able to share. But I want to congratulate her. And there's so many more coming. Thank you so much, Michelle.
Oh, well, thank you. And ask her if she can share on the next one. Yeah, good. We want to hear that story.